Hello and welcome back to the Gourmet Gambit. Today we're going to make some Indonesian lumpias. They are very popular in the Netherlands. They really make a big size. It's like a whole meal in a crusty bucket. You can find them everywhere, in the supermarkets, in the Dutch fast foods. I'm Wes, let's get started. We're going to wash all our vegetables in cold water. Chop the onions. Preserve 2 slices of the leek. The bamboo sprouts. And it's all the same for the cabbage and the carrots. We're going to keep the onions separately and we're going to heat up some water to blanch all these vegetables without the onion. Heat up a fair amount of water. We're going to blanch our vegetables. The ones we chopped. After 30 seconds we're going to add our soybean or mango bean sprouts. 45 seconds to a minute. Use a drainer. Now our vegetables have lost a fair amount of moisture and they're much easier to handle. We got our chicken. You can use any part of the chicken you like. And we're going to cut these into little slices, not too thick. We're just going to add a pinch of salt, give it a little massage. Chicken do like massages, and keep aside in your fridge for the moment. The eggs. Give it a little whisk just to break the egg yolk. We're going to heat up our wok, put your burner on the maximum, and after a few minutes when there's a little bit of smoke coming off, add the oil. We're going to need a fair amount of oil and we're going to add the onions straight away. Fry the onions from 3 to 4 minutes, maybe a minute more. Put the eggs in the middle. Pinch of salt, and just continue stirring it. We're going to put our eggs aside. A little bit of water, a little brush. Discard the water, back on the heat again, good amount of oil, and we're going to put our chicken in there. And we're going to transfer our chicken to a drainer as well, and we're going to let it cool down all our ingredients. We got our vegetables here. We're going to chop some ham in there as well. Here you go. The omelette, cut it a bit into pieces. of chicken, tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, half a tablespoon of ginger powder, half a tablespoon of ground coriander, 3 to 4 tablespoons of rice wine, shaoxing, 4 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, ketchup mayonnaise, and now we're going to mix this all up. We got some wheat flour, a little bit of water, stir this up, and this is going to be our glue for the wheat flour sheet where we're going to make the lumpias with. Time to make our lumpias. I'm going to use these wheat flour sheets. They're very thin, so I'm going to use 2 of them. We got our filling, fold it up like that, and both sides to the inside. We're going to pour some of our wheat flour paste on there, and we're just going to fold them up like a square. And here we got the second sheet, same thing, the sides to the middle, again our super glue, and here you go. I'm just going to show you how to make very quickly a very nice sauce for your lumpias. We still got the slices of the leek, garlic, chopped shallot, we got some slices of ginger, and we got 2 Szechuan dried chilies. We're going to put this all in aluminum foil, fold it up a little bit. We're going to put on our burner, and we're going to burn our little mix a little bit, just to give it a smoky flavor. Water and pesto. Put all these vegetables in there. Sweet soy sauce, Indonesian ketchup mayonnaise, a little bit of rice wine, a little drop of sesame oil, and a drop of fish sauce. We're going to squeeze these vegetables. You don't have to squeeze them completely. It's just a question of getting some flavors out of there. All you have to do is just pour a little bit of that sauce over your lumpia. We're going to warm up our oil up to 160, 170 degrees Celsius. So we're at 160, and in goes the lumpia. 4 or 5 minutes until they get lightly brown. Now we're going 5 minutes. Put a little hole in there. You let them drip out on some paper towel. So here we are for the lumpias. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Bon appetit and see you back soon.